Today we hardly pass a single day, if not hours, without going online. One of the most important things when we go online is privacy and safety. Most of the time we use the private browsing mode in order to navigate the web, thinking we are safe, and it should totally make sense. But are you really safe when you do that? In this video we'll try to discover if browsing in private mode, also known as incognito mode, keeps you safe. We're also going to see the different situations in which you can use this mode of navigation and the best way to navigate safely on the internet. What is incognito mode? It's a feature on any web browser that allows you to surf the internet without saving your browsing history, your cookies, and other site data. Today, cookies are used to help companies save targeted ads. When you visit a website, an advertiser leaves a cookie on your browser. The cookie is your unique ID. That can include which site you visited, how long you visited them, what you clicked on, your language preferences, and so on. Online ads are customized based on your browsing. Been searching for a new pair of sneakers? Oh, Adidas has a creative for you. Adidas knows where you've been because they dropped a bit of code in your browser called cookie. The cookie tracks you and so does the Adidas ads. So when you browse privately, we do it with the intention of limiting these websites and ads from tracking us and activities. I'm a big fan of Boruto. Today I wanted to check if the latest episodes of Boruto is out, but my mobile data is finished, so I'm gonna check on the phone of my friend.
Mate, can I have the phone?
But I don't want him to know I'm into anime. People think anime is just for kids, which is totally false. So I'm gonna do that in private mode on my friend's browser. After I'm done, he won't know what I searched for on his phone, even if he looks in the browsing history.
Thank you.
Private browsing deletes cookies data after you close the browser window, and it doesn't track your browsing data. It also blocks tracking cookies by default, but it won't remember any files you download, but those files will still be on your device. So it's fair to say browsing in private mode is safe, right? No. A 2018 survey of 460 internet users by the University of Chicago found out there are a lot of misconceptions out there about private browsing or incognito mode. That's what made me to make a video on this matter in the first place. And if you're enjoying this video, drop a like and subscribe. So what are the things that keep you vulnerable on the internet despite browsing in incognito mode? Well, browsing privately won't keep your internet service provider from seeing where you've been online. It won't stop websites from seeing your physical location. And any bookmarks you save while browsing in private mode won't disappear even if you switch it off. And it won't even protect you from viruses and malware. Now we understand that browsing in private mode isn't that safe as it seems to be, but there are still cases where browsing in incognito mode is still useful. Doing a private search that erases your browsing history can be useful in certain situations. Because some cookies are deleted at the end of your search, you see fewer ads than if you go for a normal search. If there's something you don't want to keep in your browser history, like shopping for a gift for your partner or relative, an incognito search can keep your activity private. It's also a good idea to use incognito mode when using a public device or a borrowed computer to protect your data. Incognito mode is even helpful if you want to do a search that's not influenced by your browsing history or to see your blog or website from a fresh perspective. Even though private browsing is useful in some cases, what if you want that freedom to browse normally and still remain safe and protected? In other words, what if you want to completely hide your IP address while going online? There's something you can do, and that is by using a VPN. You have certainly seen tons of ads of some of these VPNs. ExpressVPN, NordVPN, unturned. What a VPN does is it hides your IP address by letting the network redirect it to a specially configured remote server run by its VPN host. That means that if you browse online with a VPN, the VPN server becomes the source of your data. This means your internet service provider and other third parties can see which websites you visited or what data you send or receive online. A VPN connection disguises your data traffic online and protects it from external access. Unencrypted data can be viewed by anyone who has network access and wants to see it. With a VPN, hackers and cyber criminals can't crack this data.
I hope you've learned something and now know how you can protect yourself while going online. Now you know that private browsing mode isn't enough, that you might need a VPN if you're looking for safety and protection. So drop a like if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you're interested in topics like this. Maybe I'll be releasing a short video explaining why I was absent all this time. Many things were going on my side, but now I'm back and I'm really looking forward to see you guys in the next one. Okay, peace. Boom.